Now we will talk about evaluation of functions.
In this lesson, you are expected to familiarize the steps in evaluating functions and evaluate functions. Now, to evaluate a function is to find the value of a function for a given value of a variable. So, this means that we will replace the variable in the function with a value from the function's domain and compute for the result. And to denote that we are evaluating function f at a, in the domain of f, we write f of a. These are the steps in evaluating a function. So we only have two steps. First, substitute the given value for the given variable. So that means naatay given value and then mo na siya atong i-replace or i-substitute sa variable. Variable is the letter nga atong makita sa function. After that, kahuman na itong substitute. Next na itong buhaton is to simplify the resulting expression. Okay? So, we only have two steps. Substitute and then simplify. Now, let us try to solve the following. So, first, evaluate the following function at x equals 1. So, that means we are going to substitute x with 1. Okay, so, we have here number 1. F of x equals 2x plus 4. Okay, now to solve this one, first, we will substitute 1 to x and then simplify. Okay, so here's the solution. First, we will copy the function f of x equals 2x plus 4. And then substitute x with 1. So this becomes f of 1 equals 2 times 1 plus 4. Okay, so as you can see, atong i-replace an x with 1. Copy 2, replace x with 1, copy plus 4. Okay, now take note na nagbutang ka og close and open parentheses. Why? Because if not, if ibutang na tog diretso ang 1 tupad sa 2, we might think nga 21 na siya, which is totally different from 2 times 1. Okay, so that is why butangan na to siya og close and open parentheses. Pasabot, mao na siya ang i-replace nato ni x. So, whatever value is that, you have to enclose it with close and open parentheses. Okay? Now, simplify. So, we have here, copy, f of 1 equals 2 times 1. This means we will multiply. So, 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. And then, copy plus 4. Okay, we can still simplify 2 and 4. That means we are going to add. So, f of 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Therefore, the value of f of x equals 2x plus 4 at x equals 1 is 6. Okay, so very easy, right? Another example we have here, evaluate the following function at x equals 1. So we have the same value of x. Okay, 1 gihapon ang value sa atong x. That means 1 gihapon atong i-substitute sa x. But this time, we have here f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so to solve this one, we will copy first the function f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, substitute and then simplify. So we will substitute x with 1. So kana duha ka x diha ngayong nakit-an ato nang ilisan og 1. So we have here f of 1 equals copy 2 and then substitute x with 1. Copy the exponent which is 2. Okay. Next, copy plus 3. Substitute x with 1 again. And then, copy minus 1. Okay, we will now compute the value or to simplify. So, we have here f of 1 equals 2. And then, we will simplify 1 squared, which is 1 times 1 is 1. So, we have 2 times 1. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, copy minus 1. Next, we have f of 1 equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, simplify further. We have f of 1 equals 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 1 is 4. So, the final answer is 4. So, another example, we have here, evaluate the following function at x equals 2. So, meaning, 2 na sad ang atong i-substitute sa x. Okay, so the function is f of x equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so substitute and then simplify. So we will copy first the function f of x equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 3. And then substitute x with 2. So we have here f of 2 equals 2, copy 2. Then substitute x with 2. Copy the exponent which is 2. Copy minus 2. Substitute x with 2 again. And then copy plus 3. Okay, so na human na tag substitute, we will now simplify. So we have f of 2 equals, copy 2. Simplify 2 squared, that means 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, then minus 2 times 2 is 4, copy plus 3. Next, f of 2 equals 2 times 4 is 8 minus 4 plus 3. And then simplify further, we have f of 2 equals 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the value of f of x equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 3 at x equals 2 is 7. Now let's have another example. Evaluate the following function at x equals 2. So still we have x equals 2, but this time we have q of x equals the square root of 2x plus 5. Okay, ayaw mo kahadlok ana diha no nganong naa na siya radical sign. So the same ra gyud ang atong procedure. Substitute and then simplify. So copy q of x equals square root of 2x plus 5 and then substitute. So we have q of 2 equals the square root of 2 and then substitute x with 2. So you have 2 times 2. Copy plus 5. Okay? So, ana lang siya and then simplify. So, we have q of 2 equals the square root of 2 times 2 is 4. Right? Then copy plus 5. Okay, so we can still simplify this one as q of 2 equals 4 plus 5. So, you have there the square root of 9. And you all know that the square root of 9 is equal to 3. So, you have there q of 2 equals 3. Okay, so the value of q of x equals the square root of 2x plus 5 at x equals 2 is 3. Another example, we have the same value of x. Still, it is 2, but this time we have h of x equals 3x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, so rational expression na siya. But the same lang yun ang concept, the same lang yun ang procedures, no? Substitute and then simplify. Okay, so we have here h of x equals 3x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, we will substitute the value, no, which is 2 to x. So, h of 2 equals, you copy 3, okay, and then substitute x with 2. You copy plus 2. For the denominator, you have 2 plus 2. Then simplify. So we have h of 2 equals 3 times 2 is 6. Copy plus 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Next, we have h of 2 equals, so 6 plus 2 is 8 over 4. Or your h of 2 equals 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the final answer is 2.